Hi there, Silvio here, your English teacher, and today we are gonna go to our lesson number 201. Let's go. In today's class, you are going to learn how to make questions, affirmative questions, using the past perfect tense. Let's go. And to ask affirmative questions using the past perfect tense, you just need to remember how we asked questions using the present perfect tense. We had sentences such as I have gone or he has gone. And when we wanted to make questions, affirmative questions, we just need to put these have or has before the person, before the subject. The same thing happens here. We can say sentences such as you had traveled, and that's correct. You had traveled abroad before you moved to this country, and this is an affirmative sentence. When we want to make questions, affirmative questions, you had becomes had you. You had becomes had you. He had becomes had he. And here also you had you. You just need to invert the position. You just need to place the subject and had in a position that is completely the opposite from affirmative sentences. So, had, person, and the main verb in the past participle tense. Had you ever traveled abroad before you moved to this country? What had you done before the guests arrived at the party? Had he visited China before his sister got there? What had you eaten before you started feeling sick? Again, the past perfect tense is a verb tense in English used when we want to express situations that happened before another point in the past, another action actually in the past. We here don't care so much about when exactly something happened, but what happened before, after, by the time something else also happened. Okay? And well, we have finished today's class. I hope you have enjoyed. Do not forget to drink water. As always, I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.